Hi today everyone, what's up guys, welcome to the channel. And that delivered to me, then I just put the sanitizer and I leave there like 3 days. So today I'm gonna open this one. Okay, what's the inside? Since we have a coronavirus, so that's why I didn't touch it. I just leave it like 3 days. So today I'm gonna open what's the inside. Ooh, look at here, my goodness, I'm so excited. What is this? This is the blue light filter computer glass. I researched about 4 hours and I found this one. So this is the best one. I found it. This is very good for if you are watch TV and computers, even the phone. Look, Andy. Okay, let me open it, how it looks now. Okay, we have a here glass, blue light tester, glass cleaner. That's it. Let me see. Wow, very nice. Very nice. Wow, that package is very nice. Okay. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Blue, you see? Very nice. Okay, so I'm gonna test it now. Oh, right here. Okay, what else? All right. Okay, let me test that. All right, let's get started. So you see this is the blue. So this is how to test it. Okay, now I'm gonna put here. You see it's getting blue, right? So once I put it from here, we're gonna test it. So now I'm gonna put the glass here like that, half here, half empty, half I covered by the glass. So we're gonna test it from here. You see, this side is blocked. You see, right here I have my regular glass. You see, so we're gonna test it from here. So this is the regular glass. Okay. My God, you look at here. So this, the regular glass, you can block it. Regular glass, it can block it. So that's the difference. You see? Okay, we're gonna test it again. So this is the regular glass. You see? Everything is blue. Okay, so now I'm gonna test with this glass. All right, now you see the difference. So this is how it works. Okay, so this is the best one I found it in the Amazon. If you guys interested, so I'm gonna link description below. All right, just check it out. I'm so shocked. This is how it works. So actually this one my doctor gave it to me, I just want to try with this one, so that's why, I just want to buy this one, that's why I bought it. This is good quality, and I researched about 3-4 hours, so this is the best one I found it. So this is a big size. They only have one size. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and give it a big thumbs up and leave the comment below. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much.